Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Shelley, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Integrated Product Team, or what I call a IPT. What is an Integrated Product Team? An Integrated Product Team is a team composed of representatives from appropriate functional disciplines working together to build successful programs, identify and resolve issues, and make sound and timely recommendations to facilitate decision-making. IPTs are used in complex development programs, projects for review and decision-making. The emphasis of the IPT is on the involvement of all stakeholders, users, customers, management, developers, contractors, in a collaborative forum. The definition of an IPT is a multidisciplined team made up of members from specific disciplines working together on a project to identify, address and resolve issues to help achieve project goals and objectives. What are the types of integrated product teams? There are three types of IPTs that each acquisition program will implement. Overarching IPTs focus on strategic guidance, program assessment, and issue resolution. Working level IPTs identify and resolve program issues, determine program status, and seek opportunities for acquisition reform. And finally, program-level IPTs focus on program execution and may include representatives from both government and industry after contract award. What are some integrated product team best practices? After 20 years of working as a program manager, I have developed a list of best practices when utilizing an IPT. These best practices are: keep the IPT size to the smallest size possible. Too many people lead to delays. Communicate roles and responsibilities from the start. Establish clear goals and objectives. Have a meeting schedule and stick to it. And finally, make sure everyone knows their roles and assignments after each meeting. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Integrated Product Team. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations for finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.